I hope it works. 1, 2, 3, testing. My voice is good. These beautiful headphones. Yes! Okay. Hey guys! Oh, my face comes a bit glitchy. Sorry. It might look like I'm lip talking, but I'm not. You know me. Evelyn Emma EE. Wait, that is my YouTube channel, right? I have a Twitter also. Okay. I do gotchas, Big Baby, Christmas Child. Yeah. So I've been posting because I'm figuring out this month. Right now, I am on December 7th, 18th, 17th. This might not come out until December 20th because I have to find out or like 30th. I don't know. I have to find out how to do this because I had an old YouTube channel. Baby. So you can see my nice little Roblox avatar. Got 14 Robux left. Let me just make my little Roblox avatar quickly. Today we're gonna be playing Adopt Me. Follow me on Twitter, Evelyn Emma EE. Yeah, that's all spaces. um, my voice might sound really bad or glitchy when I'm playing Roblox. I'm so sorry for that. Yeah. Okay, let's go to shorts. I need a. Oh, that's cute. I spent half my money on this junk. Okay, black crop top. That could go well. And then why am I dressing scary? What's wrong with me? I have a Christmas outfit. I should at least treasure it. This probably is from last year. I don't know. I just found it in the clothing place. So I'm on my account. I'm making my avatar. My face needs fixing. I need a face. We'll do this because I'm shocked how bad my face cam is. Okay, we also need left arm, right arm. Okay, recent. Let's get all the recent stuff. Everything. A bear mask. Let's put that on. Why do I have 12 ears? I have no idea. Let my sister do it. Perfect. My avatar will change soon. Disclaimer. This little hair here will be popping up a lot as a sneak peek in my future videos. Dyeing hair videos. Doesn't say anything. Oh no, I'm acting so cringy and weird. Oh, my friends are gonna see this. And that's even more cringy. I just did oh. And there's more cringy I'm talking. Okay, yeah, I'm getting too cringy. Okay, you know what we're gonna do? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by the toe. If it howls, blah 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 blah. Royal high. Yes! I'm actually a fan. Wait, I just promised you guys I would do Royal high later. Adopt me first. Now, me, adopt me, all the pets you see here was a lot of work. No, not actually, really. I just got like a evil uni. Oh, wait, my face can't work. The top of it. No, 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 no. Oh, wait, pause the video. Oh no, the glitchy face cam. Okay, Christmas 2019. All the pets I got were like trading. Evil unicorn, Arctic reindeer. Unlock a 300 Robux. I just spent all my Robux on Royal High. Got any presents? Quick house tour. This is me. I'm Leah. What does it say? No mom? I think it says no mom. Okay, so I'm really into okay, so this is my bedroom, my donut factory-ish. Like I'm broke. I have like 511. Yeah, I can see through the face cam. My pet place, the baby room. For some reason, every time I log in, I'm in a baby role play with someone. I have like 5 people on my friend list, and they're all part of a bunch of different role plays, includes me being a mom or me being a baby. Okay, my face cam glitchy. Okay, so these are all my pets. So we got a robin. Its name's Robin. We got a robin. Its name's Robin. We got a sloth. Wait, is it a sloth? I think I've just been. It's called Love. We got a neon. thing. By the way, I did not make this neon. I made a neon cat. I traded it for a neon dog. It's called Frost. We got another dog, Mela. We got a chicken named Lola. Baby will play. Fluffy, Bella, blah blah blah, Silly Duck. All of these things are traded. Like this is traded, that's traded, that's traded, that's traded, that almost this. Blue dog, I had it the first minute I got the pet, traded with that cat. I think I had two blue dogs. And then I have a rideable dragon. But who cares about that when I got this? Arctic cute little reindeer. I traded it for an evil unicorn. Because I'm evil. Let's pick you up. And I'm way too lazy to make it full grown because these things take years. Maybe not years. Okay, now we're just gonna put you in our bag, which sounds weird. Got strollers, I got the sandwich. For some reason, this sandwich is always here. Like, guys, no joke, this is a glitch. Look. Let me feed you the sandwich. Let me go to my food inventory. The sandwich. Let me go feed you. Wait. When I'm on camera and I'm trying to prove my theory here, what happened? You disappeared when it was working for so long. Did you do anything, Arctic Reindeer? Okay, let's get you back in. So let's check. Want to see my home? I'm like, I have a horrible thing. She copied my hair. No, just kidding. She didn't copy my hair. No. Is this a baby? Is this a baby? Can I join your family? And I can do a baby roleplay? I don't know. Okay. I'm getting sidetracked. Trade request. This is what I'm a pro at. What you got to trade? Okay, what could I give you vehicles? This thing. That thing. Oh, yeah, I kind of traded everything for my Arctic reindeer. Send me a trade request. I don't have my Arctic reindeer. Am I such a popular person to adopt me of trading? Everyone knows I gave out like a bunch of free toys before. Ice grappling hook or what am I even trading her? My sandwich! Oh, you came back. A balloon! I thought it was a blue jacket. My thingy, but my sandwich! Yeah, sorry, sandwich. Is it still not there? I can't believe how much Robux I spent on this game. One day I should do a video of how much I've spent Robux. And I know it's my first Roblox video, but I've been playing Roblox for such a long time. And I'm not starting from scratch. I've already done that 5 times on my 5 other YouTube channels that I deleted. I'm a very big quitter. Okay. I'm not gonna quit this one. Exactly the same thing I said for the other 5, but okay. What can I do? Oh, guys, fun fact. If you get Rudolph when you train in the reindeers, you hold him, check in this inventory, go to pets, you'll have him, and it's neon. And if you go to the let's ice skate there. Hey, reindeers, I'm glitched. Hello. Okay, if you oh, I did a flip. I thought that was gonna be puzzles. If you go here to the nursery, there'll be like 2 reindeers that are ultra rare. If you get a normal reindeer, you check it's normal. But if you get Rudolph, it says he's neon. So I think if you get 4 of the same reindeers and adopt me of the normal reindeers, it'll turn into Rudolph. I already tweeted that. Go check my Twitter. I sound ridiculous. Oh, my favorite section of ever any babies cry. Yeah, okay, that's what I always do. So let's go check on. If anyone can tell me what this is, if anyone can give me that, my Roblox user is. Let me show you because it'll be easier. I let my join on for everyone. I think that's about it. I'm Evelyn Unicorn here, so if you guys could give me this pet, it's a something. Let me check. It's a what does purple mean? I don't want. Okay, it's an uncommon. That one. I will give you this thingy and that thingy if you can give me that pet. You can join me when I'm playing Adopt Me. But yeah, and if you guys can give me, you see, guys, look, there's two reindeers. Maybe it's a pink reindeer. I don't know. I'm not something. But you know, none of you guys are gonna trade me any of these because I have nothing to trade you guys. Unless you got a good heart, not good heart, but really nice to me, I guess. But a sloth. Actually, I really want a llama. If you guys could trade me a llama. Oh, guys, it's my perfect time to show you guys my conspiracy theory. Conspiracy theory starting. These headphones are cute. Never mind. I take forever. When you're stuck in Adopt Me, you don't gotta be sad. I really am stuck in Adopt Me, aren't I? Like that. Okay, so you know what? Yeah, you do that, guys. Just gotta. Okay, and I have gotten a bunch of robins. I can give you guys a free robin. Actually, if you guys on. Okay, what about on Christmas? On Christmas Day is England or something. Um, I will give you guys on Christmas, join me and adopt me, and I will be giving out free things to people. Maybe not pets, but okay. Let's train Rudolph. Guys, look at this stuff. So let's go to my thing. Oh, he's not there. He's not there. There he is. Not Rudolph, newborn, rare neon. He's neon. So like yeah, and then pretty sure this episode has been really boring. But whatever. Yeah, you can't fly too much longer. We'll get you down. But yeah, I think I'm gonna crash this guy. Okay, but now let's get Blizz, whatever his name is. Blizzden? I probably know his name, but I just couldn't read it quickly. Okay, Blizzden. He's a normal reindeer. If we get maybe 4 of these reindeers in the game, if it happens, it's just a theory. If we get them neon, full-grown neon, what if that would make Rudolph? Collect those. Oh, by the way, a hack. You know how you guys, how people, the ornaments, the Christmas ornaments, you want them, but you can never get them because you don't have a fly pet? Totally okay. You could fly this guy, get your ornament for your Christmas tree. See? Oh, sorry. 40 gingerbread. But like I got it. You could there's sometimes a Santa up there also. So you could always get him. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna end this episode. I hope you guys liked it. Um Peace, I guess. Now I'm just gonna do a stupid dance for you guys to know how much it's amazing. I have no idea what I'm doing. Be good kids and don't mess with the penguins. I don't know. Wait, my dance is not finished. Just gotta get hit by a penguin. You see, I'm such a good ice skater. Here, no. I think I'm glitched. I'm glitched. Have a nice day and happy holidays. I'm out. Wait. I'm out. Boom. Where's the pause button on this? Wait, where's the pause button? Oh no. Oh no. Don't see pause button. Okay, pause button there. So much for epic entry or exit.